Hello students, welcome to my online class on level 2 ICT. From this week onwards we will look into the unit PowerPoint presentation. We'll study this unit for 6 weeks, and the remaining 2 weeks we will be doing assessment on this unit. Every week I will upload a video, and I will also explain the objectives, what we do in the past. If you have gone through my video on the course outline, I've explained to you what we are going to study in this PowerPoint presentation, PPT PowerPoint unit. Okay, and also here you will find my email address. So in case if you have any questions, doubts, you can email me and I will answer you during working hours, during the working days period. Let's move on to the next slide. And what you will study today is to insert and edit slides, to enter text and bullet points, to insert pictures, to apply different types of design to the presentation. Okay. Now I'll come to this homework later on. I will exit from here, and I will also close this. I will just explain you how to open your PowerPoint presentation software. Now this is your computer. Imagine that you're using a computer or a laptop. How do you start your PowerPoint presentation software? I assume you all have Microsoft Office software installed on your computers or the laptops, whichever the gadgets you're using, or the tabs. Now to open that, you have to click on Start, and here if you in this you will feel under Microsoft Office where's MIM. Microsoft Office is here, and from there I will select Microsoft PowerPoint -2010 version. There is not much difference between 2010 and 2014 or 2016 versions. Now I'll explain you the layout of this software. As usual, you will see the tabs: File. When you click on File tab, Save as, open the file, go to a new document, or to print, or to exit from the software. Next tab is Home, where you will see Cut, Copy, Paste, new slide, similar to that of the Word layout: bold, italic, underline, font size, font style, changing the font color, alignments, left, center, right, and justify, bulleting and numbering, these different types of alignments, also to insert different types of shapes in there, similar to that of the word processing software. Because you're all level 2 students, I presume that you already know some of the tools, such as the font formatting techniques, paragraph and drawing techniques, which you have done in your techniques. Okay, this is my first slide on a PowerPoint presentation. It comes by default, which is the title slide. If you don't want it, you can delete it, but just right click and delete it. You can do that, but anyway, I'll keep it for now. I'm just going to explain. I'm just going to give a title for this: my first presentation. Subtitle, I'm just going to give it as level 2 ICT. Okay, this is my first slide. Now I want to have my second slide. New slide. If I click on new slide, there are different layouts. I'm going to choose my second layout as title and content. Here I'm going to write, maybe I'm just going to, what you will study today. Yeah, what you will learn today. And here I'm just going to type some bullet points, to edit slides, enter information, I'm just going to write 1 or 2 lines. This is the layout, this is the box where you do your typing. Now I want to have my third slide, so I'm just going to go, I go into new slide, I click here, maybe I want to insert a picture. There are some icons which we will talk about eventually later on in the course, and this is will insert a picture. If I click on this, maybe under search for criteria, type what you want to search. Maybe I want to just look for the picture pen, and I click on go. Go. My computer is too slow. Is it giving me any pen picture, or should I try pencil? So usually what will happen, students, the image will appear here. Or let me try flower. Okay, there you go. It quickly comes up. Usually it will come up on your slide. It's a problem with my laptop, not with yours. If you type something, if the pictures are available to you, it will come up on your laptop, or if you come up on it, just click on it and then you can move it wherever you want it, resize it, crop it, all those things then can be done. You can by using all these different types of tools, or if you want to have a layer tiles, you can just click on that. So explore, students, feel free to explore all these different options that you are doing. Don't worry if you do something wrong, you can just delete it and come back. And if you want to type, no, this is not what I wanted. Okay, I'm just going to give it as inserting pictures as my title, and I want to write something here, but it's not allowing me because there is no text box in that. So I'm just going to change the layout. I click on this third slide and I just going to click on the layout, and you see this, I'm going to select this option, layout option, and once the layout is changed, then I can do my changes. Right now this is a simple presentation that I have done for now, just to show you. Now you need to save your work. Please, students, make sure you save your work regularly. File, save as, save it under documents or wherever your computer works. Usually I prefer to save it under documents. So I will select documents, and then I'm just going to give my first presentation. I'm just going to keep it as it is, but if you want to change your file name, please feel free to, but give a sensible file name so that in the future if you're looking for your work, it is easy to find. Right, one more tip, students, before saving the file. Okay, before clicking the file, under documents you can create a folder. Click on new folder, give it as PowerPoint level 2 work, so that you save and press it, enter twice, and so that you document PowerPoint level 2 work and then save your work, so that whatever the work you're doing, you will save it under the folder PowerPoint level 2 work. So it will be easy for you to access it later on, or even to send me as an attachment. You don't have to go through the whole lot of things in your computer. Just go into your documents. I will show that one more time. Where did I do? Show it, go into document, and then just look for that particular folder, PowerPoint level 2 work, and then I can just go save the work. The work will be saved in there. So see this, the file name changes to my first PowerPoint presentation. Right, now how do I do slideshow? When you're showing it to your audience, you will not show this. This is your working view. This is where you do all your work, but when you're showing it to your audience, you will show slideshow from beginning, then press enter on the keyboard. It will go to the next slide, next slide, next slide. You can also set the timings. You can also do many things, which we will talk eventually later on as we go on with the course. For now, for today's class, a simple PowerPoint presentation. Now, the one more thing I said, you will learn how to do design. So if you click, this is plain white background. If you want to design it, if you had something more colorful to this, click on the tab design. There are a lot of different types of designs are available. So choose any design that you like. See, it's applied. So now if you want to just click on that. So now students usually ask me, can I have a different design for every template? Yes, you can, but not today. I'm not going to explain that today. First, just learn to understand. Maybe in next class or the week after, I will explain you how to do different design for every template. Now, when you do your slideshow, students, from beginning, just see that it looks so nice, isn't it? So now that's how simple PowerPoint presentation. Now what I want you to do is I want you to create your weekly timetable. I will explain you. Now I'm just going to take a new document, file, new document. Now here I'm going to just write it as my timetable, my weekly timetable. Yeah, my weekly timetable. Yes, that's right. Timetable by Leela. Right, next I'm going to insert a new slide. Then I'm going to give the title as Monday, and what I do on Monday, level 2 class, level 1 class, then I have to pick up my child, and do all those work. But anyway, the main thing, I'm going to write two things. Now you have your own timetable, so you write what you do on Monday. Next one, Tuesday. uh, Next one is Tuesday. I'm going to write the what you want to do on Tuesday. Well, anyway, don't write the junk, please. And now I'm just going to insert a picture. One more way of inserting a picture is you can click on Insert from the Insert tab, clip art, and then from here, what do I write? Car. Okay. Don't know why, but I'm just ignoring. There are not enough resources to come see. Right, okay. So as I said, there you go, picture of a car comes up on the screen. So I want you to have one title slide: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Just few lines are enough. Make it a bit more colorful. Apply different types of font size, font style, students. It will be kind of like a recap for you. If you want to just have different font style, you want to have different font color, click on this. That's when it enables. Although if it is outside, see, it all turns out gray, you can't do anything. So click the inside the text box where you want it, and then you can change the color, change the font color, change it whatever you like to do. Okay, so all those uh, also make sure try all those things. You can also try adding some shape to your slides and making it a bit more colorful, making it more bit attractive. So it all up to you, it's all up to your imagination. So what you do is, once you do your presentation with all your timely activities for the week, then save your work. Again, save your work my weekly timetable under your PowerPoint level 2 work document folder. If you can't find it, students, under documents, go back again, rewind my video, go into document, that's where you did, and then PowerPoint level 2 work, and then save your work. Now send this as an attachment to my email. uh, how do you send it as an attachment? Most of you know it. If you don't know it, I'll quickly explain you. This is my email inbox, my email box. Compose a message, type my email address, leela.erkmen, and my subject is my first presentation, whatever. Okay. um, so if you want to type a message, hi, hello, how are you, I'm attaching my file. uh, Write your message, and then you click on, you see this attach file option, click on attach files, uh, and then look for that file, first presentation. Make sure, look for that right file, double click on it, it's attached, and then you send it to me. See, simple as that. Okay, so now, now I will give you another task, for your as a homework, students. Not this one. Yeah. Now, that weekly timetable for you was to do it with me during our online classroom. This is your homework. I have given 3 activities. The first activity is to create a simple PowerPoint presentation of 6 or more slides on your country of origin. Maybe you come from Bangladesh or Italy or somewhere else. What you want to talk about your country, food, culture, religion, anything that you want to say, some exotic features, something good, nice, some interesting points you want to talk about your country with the pictures and everything. You can you can find it from Google and copy and paste it and create a presentation. And also to Second topic is to create a PowerPoint presentation of 4 my slides on British values. Uh, do some search again on British values, copy some points and paste it in your presentation. The third point is to create a PowerPoint presentation of 5 or more slides on COVID-19. What are the effect of COVID-19? We see I'm doing online classroom instead of being in actual classroom. You're all listening to me online. Do some search on the virus, do how it is affecting our day-to-day life, There's some points that how it has affected you personally. You can talk about that again, some such, and do the presentation and send it to me. You can do all three activities or any two activities, but I expect every one of you to do at least one presentation applying design and design, inserting pictures, and applying some font formatting techniques, like a font size, font color, bulleting, numbering, and these things, and send it to me before we start our next session. Quick recap, students. What did we do learn today? We learned how to do how to insert new slides, to change the layout, and also to apply design to your slides, and also we learned how to do slideshow. And anyway, you already knew how to apply font formatting techniques, font formatting methods, and also I quickly showed you how to attach a file to your email. So students, look after yourself, and I will upload my tutorial again. Next tutorial, I'll upload this tutorial into Google Classroom. Make sure you all have accepted the link that I have sent to you, and regularly check your Google Classroom, as I'll keep uploading all our study materials, video materials, everything onto the Google Classroom. Right, students, if you have any queries, any doubts, write me an email. I will not be contacting you through WhatsApp or phone calls. Maybe I will do phone call time to time, uh, but not WhatsApp, no messages. Download Slack app, as I mentioned already in my email, and I will contact you through Slack app, and I will send you an invitation as well as soon as possible. And I'll see you all in next video. Until then, take care. Bye.